Hey guys, welcome to question MM290 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now, in this question it says part of the graph of g of x equals x squared on 2 is shown below. Matt finds the approximate area under this curve by drawing rectangles as shown in the left diagram, just here. He then finds the exact area of the shaded region using his calculator as shown in the right diagram. Awesome, so this is also up to 5. Matt's approximation is k% less than the exact value of the area. The value of k is closest to. Alrighty, awesome. So, we're not going to be able to find k until we find the area of this and the area of this. So let's call this A1. Actually, you know what? A approximation, so AA, and A exact, AE. So, our approximation is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, where these areas are the individual areas of each of these rectangles. So, we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. The length of this is 1, so we're just going to go one by one with these rectangles. The length of this is 1, and the height is the y value at x equals 1. Okay, our y value is given by x squared on 2, so our y value is 1 squared over 2. Then we can do our second rectangle. Second rectangle, again, has a width of 1, and this time our height is the y value at x equals 2. So we get 2 squared over 2. Plus, again, our width is 1, and our height, as I'm sure you're starting to see a pattern here, is our x value at 3, and, sorry, our y value at x equals 3, which means we get 3 squared over 2. And then our last rectangle has, again, a width of 1 and a height of the y value at x equals 4. So 4 squared over 2. Now, what we get here is 15. So I would just do this in your calculator, because you got it, might as well do it. So that means that our approximate area is 15 units squared, okay? Now, our exact area is simply equal to the integral from 0 to 5 of x squared over 2 dx, which is equal to 125 over 6. All right, so we know that our approximate area is 15. We know that our exact area is 125 on 6. And now we just need to figure out how much less the approximate area is than the exact. So there's multiple ways to do this, but the way that I do it is the percentage difference is equal to 1 minus the lesser 1. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to do this in an easier way. So we can find out the percentage of the exact that this is, and then we can do 1 minus that. So what I mean by that is to work out the percentage that this is of this, you simply divide one by the other. So you get 15 over 125 over 6, which is equal to about 72, well, 0.72, which means that the approximate is 1 minus 0.72 difference, right? Which is equal to 0.28, which is 28% different, which is closest to 30%, which means that our answer is D. Guys, if you're not too sure about anything I did there, hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, that's it for MM290. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.